I wake up, the sun's alight, smile on my face, but I wanna cry. In my room, shadows crawl, hiding the pain, feeling so small. Mom says you're so stronger, but every laugh feels so wrong. Friends just see the mask I wear, inside I'm fighting, but they're unaware. Tears in the rain, nobody knows my name, drowning in silence. All I feel is shame, cutting myself to make me feel something, to be numbed by this inner pain. Remember that day by the old oak tree, we carved our dreams, oh it felt so free. Now it's just scars, a map of my fears, each one a story soaked in my tears. I laugh at the jokes, but I'm lost inside, wishing for someone to see through the pride. Late night thoughts, they whisper and fight, wishing for peace in the midst of this night. Tears in the rain, nobody knows my name, drowning in silence. All I feel is shame, cutting myself to make me feel something, to be numbed by this inner pain. I see the world, it's a beautiful place, but all I can feel is this hollow space. I wanna reach out, but I'm trapped in my head, caught in this storm where I'm living instead. Tears in the rain, nobody knows my name, drowning in silence. All I feel is shame, cutting myself to make me feel something, to be numbed by this inner pain. So if you see me, look a little closer behind the laughter. I'm just a poser, tears in the rain. Oh, I long for the day when I can share the weight and find